We'll guide you through how to edit videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your computer and start a new project. You need to import your video files, so go to the Media tab at the bottom of the screen. Here, you can drag and drop your files from the Media pool or use the Import Media button. Once your files are imported, switch to the Edit tab. This is where you can start building your timeline by dragging clips from the Media pool into the timeline area. To trim a clip, select it on the timeline and use the blade tool by clicking on the razor icon above the timeline or pressing B on your keyboard. Click where you want to cut, and then you can move or delete sections as needed. For adding transitions, go to the Effects library on the left side, find the Transitions section, and drag your desired transition between the clips on the timeline. You can adjust the duration of the transition by dragging the edges in the timeline. To add text or titles, go to Effects library, then Titles, and drag a text effect onto the timeline above your video clip. Double-click the text clip to open the inspector panel on the right, where you can customize the font, size, and color. If you need to adjust the color of your video, head to the Color tab. Here you can use the color wheels and curves to make adjustments. For audio editing, switch to the Fairlight tab. You can adjust levels, add effects, and clean up your audio tracks here. Finally, when you're happy with your edit, go to the Deliver tab. Set your render settings, choose your format, and select a destination for the export. Hit Add to Render Queue, and then Start Render to export your final video. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.